Super quick one today, guys. I got an order from Adafruit. Disclaimer, I didn't actually pay for this. These parts are for my day job. We need a tool manufactured, and I finally got to support Adafruit some more and buy some of their components. This is just a thing of beauty. The way Adafruit packages their orders, and truthfully their speed at which they get them out is amazing. So this is actually a freebie because this order was so valuable, or so high in value. I got a Circuit Playground Express to play with. I ordered some capacitors. I ordered a Featherwing Proto Board, a lithium-ion battery. This is going to power our tools or our projects. This is the main part. This is kind of the guts of this order. This is the Featherwing LoRa. So Adafruit, Lamore came up with this amazing form factor, very similar to the Nanos. And they're doing these feathers with all different functional purposes. Has the lithium-ion battery or lithium polymer battery control, charging control, and monitoring on board. And in this case, we have the Atmega 32U4 and a LoRa 900 megahertz radio. This is a long-range, really powerful little board. And the price is quite reasonable for what they're for what you get. Buzzer, another Featherwing, another Featherwing. So I got 3 of those. I got some proto boards for the feathers, so that'll allow me to prototype some more stuff. Another beeper, or another buzzer, another buzzer. Jeez, how many of these did I get? Lots of switches, more switches. This is a headphone jack. This is a current sensor is going to be plugging into this. I think these should be 2N222, maybe? NPN bipolar transistors. I think these are a 2N222, but I'll have to check. I got some solder paste. What is this? Oh, this is the other kind of key part of this kit. The OLEDs for the Featherwing. So this is a nice little OLED wing, they call it, to go on the feather. And just handy dandy. You got like a nice little form-fitted project. Beautiful little OLED. I can't wait to give these a try. We'll maybe prototype this up. I won't be able to share the whole project on the channel here, but we'll definitely do some prototyping with these. 2 more Featherwings. More transistors. Headers, headers, headers. Because of the value of the order, they even threw in a Proto Board. This is the Adafruit Perma Proto breadboard. Kind of cool. You get bonuses with the orders. Bunch more switches and buzzers, all packaged separately. 2 more batteries, and this is pretty cool. Oh, I didn't realize I got 2 of these. Handy dandy. These are an SMD 0603 resistor and capacitor book, and all kinds of 0603 SMD resistors and capacitors, all nicely labeled, nice, easy to find. I've never owned one of these books, and I always wanted to. This is pretty cool. So this I need a few of these for this project, and this gave me the opportunity to get my hands on them. So we'll give them a try, and it'll also be my first time doing 0603 size. It's going to be fun. We'll give them a try with the new T962 reflow oven and see how we make out soldering our own SMD components. I've done 0805, but I've certainly never done 0603. It is, those are tiny. Check out the size of those. Absolutely tiny. Very cool. Guys, that's it for today. Just a quick little overview of the Adafruit order, and I'm pretty happy I got these components, and I'm pretty happy I have the opportunity to prototype a pretty valuable tool for my day job, and I have little doubt that I'll be able to make it work very well. Throw a thumbs up on this video if you like this content, if you like this kind of electronics projects. I will see you guys next video. Throw a comment down below. Let me know what you're making. Cheers.